Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Dear student, in this class we will discuss about the different type or different branches of taxonomy. प्रीवियस क्लास में हम टेक्सोनॉमी के जो क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम है वो हम पढ़ चुके हैं। डिफरेंट क्लासिफिकेशन की सिस्टम के हमने जर्नल जो आउटलाइन है वो ड्रा कर चुके हैं। जर्नल स्केच हमने ड्रा की, थोड़ा बहुत उसको एक्सप्लेन की। एंड टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द ब्रांच ऑफ द टेक्सोनॉमी. As you know that what is the meaning of taxonomy? Taxonomy, the word taxonomy is the combination of two words. One is the taxa and other is the nomi. And taxa mean arrangement, nomi mean rule or principle. But what type of rule? The rule that is applied, the rule that is a make for the arrangement of organism, mean from the classification of living organism. So this is called taxonomy, in which classification taxonomy is that branch of biology in which we will discuss about the arrangement of living organism into the different group or classification of living organism, making the different group of the living organism. That is called taxonomy. Now here we will discuss about the different branch of taxonomy, mean which type of criteria, which type of property we can take for this classification. So on the base upon taken criteria for the classification for taxonomy are divided into three main categories. The first one is cytotaxonomy. As you know that as the name indicates, cyto means cell and taxonomy means taxonomy, a rule for the classification, for the arrangement of living organism. So now what is the meaning here? This cytotaxonomy, cyto means cell and taxonomy means taxonomy. It means it is that branch of taxonomy in which we use the cytological character for identification of organism. Mean in this type of taxonomy we take cytological character, cell property, cellular property for the classification and identification of the living organism. This type of taxonomy, this type of branch of taxonomy is also called karyotaxonomy. Why? Because in this type of type of taxonomy we take we use the criteria for the classification is the number of chromosomes that is present in the nucleus of chromosome, structure, behavior, and also other property that is related or present in the cell. So this type of taxonomy is called cytotaxonomy, in which we take cytological property for the identification of the taxonomy for the classification. The cytological character when you take for the classification, the type of taxonomy is called cytotaxonomy. And in this type we take the number of chromosomes, structure of chromosome, behavior of chromosome. So these all chromosome are genetic material present in the nucleus, and for the nucleus word karyo is used. Therefore this type of taxonomy is also called karyotaxonomy, and mainly we take it this genetic material in the cytotaxonomy. And another type of another branch of the taxonomy is the chemotaxonomy. As the name indicates, chemo mean chemical, taxonomy mean classification or a grouping of living organism into the arrangement of living organism into the various branch. So in this chemotaxonomy we use the chemical property of cell of living body, mean we use the different type of chemical that are present in the living body for the classification for the arrangement and identification of living organism, just like the sequence of nucleotide on DNA, and also the sequence of nucleotide on RNA, and the sequence of amino acid in the polypeptide chain and protein. So this type of property we take in the chemotaxonomy, mean when we classify the living organism into different groups, we arrange the living organism into the different group. For this arrangement, for this classification, when we take the chemical property of living organism, mean there we take their chemical that are present in the living organism, just like DNA, RNA, protein, their sequence, nucleotide, and their size, length, etc. That type of taxonomy is called chemotaxonomy. Another type of taxonomy that is called numerical taxonomy. This numerical taxonomy is also called a phonetic taxonomy, trimetric taxonomy or Anderson taxonomy. This various is the alternate name of this branch, numerical taxonomy. So what is the numerical taxonomy? This is a one advanced technique. In this technique we use computer, and with the help of computer we classify the living organism into different group. How we take this computer for this classification? First of all, we make list of those property on which we classify the living organism. जो खासियत हम क्लासिफिकेशन के लिए कंसीडर करते हैं, लेते हैं, सबसे पहले हम उसी कैरेक्टर के लिस्ट बनाते हैं. मेक लिस्ट ऑफ दोस कैरेक्टर on which we classify the living organism. Second step, in this list of living property or character, we change into the code form. This property that we collect, we take for the classification. Now this property we change into the code form, and in third step this code is put in the computer. And when we put this code into computer, where in computer we use we apply different statistical program rule in this code. And this statistical rule or this statistical program is compare the property of the living organism with each other and identify that which property is the same of this organism with another organism, and then on this based upon the similarity and difference we classify the living organism, or we put the living organism into specific group. How in the numerical taxonomy we living organism classify? इसमें हम क्लासिफिकेशन इस तरह करते हैं स्टूडेंट कि सबसे पहले जो खासियत जिसकी बुनियाद पे हम क्लासिफिकेशन करते हैं उसका एक लिस्ट बनाते हैं. फिर इस लिस्ट में जितने खासियत है उसको हम कोड फॉर्म में चेंज करते हैं. फिर ये कोड हम कंप्यूटर में डालते हैं, और कंप्यूटर में फिर इस पर मुख्तलिफ किस्म के स्टेटिस्टिकल रूल अप्लाई कर लेते हैं. मुख्तलिफ किस्म के जो स्टेटिस्टिकल प्रोग्राम है कंप्यूटर में उसको हम अप्लाई कर लेते हैं, और वो प्रोग्राम ऑटोमेटिकली जब हम उसको रन करते हैं, उसको स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं, फिर वो कंपैरिजन स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. और कंपैरिजन करने के बाद हमें मालूम करते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं इस बात को कि ये जो स्पीशी या ये जो डेटा दिया है, आपने जो खासियत दी है, ये कौन से जानदार के साथ रिजेम्बलेंस या मुशाबिहत रखते हैं. मतलब पहले से बाकी जानदार के खासियत कंप्यूटर में हमने डाल चुके होते हैं, मतलब पहले से वो मौजूद होते हैं मुख्तलिफ प्रोग्राम में कंप्यूटर में. जब हमने एक नई जानदार की खासियत उसमें डाल दी कोड फॉर्म में, उस पर स्टेटिस्टिकल रूल अप्लाई कर दी, अप्लाई करने के बाद उसमें जब कंपैरिजन करेगा यही कंप्यूटर ये प्रोग्राम, तो फौरन हमें मालूम पता चल जाएगा स्क्रीन पे कि ये प्रॉपर्टी उसके इस ग्रुप के साथ सेम है और इसके साथ डिफरेंट है. Then on the base upon this different and similarity we classified the living organism. So yes, and this is a one advanced technique, advanced method in which we computer use. So this is a little about the branch of taxonomy. That basically the three branch of taxonomy. One is the cytological or cytotaxonomy, which is also called karyotaxonomy, chemotaxonomy, and numerical taxonomy. In the next class, inshallah, we will discuss the type of the taxonomy. Thank you, students.